Before USDC became the dollar of crypto, it was just an idea to make money programmable. In 2018, two powerful names, Circle and Coinbase, came together with one bold mission: to build a digital version of the US dollar that was transparent, trusted, and usable by anyone, anywhere. This wasn't just another crypto token. It was the beginning of a movement, a bridge between traditional finance and the world of blockchain. Welcome to DCA Crypto, and today we're diving deep into the beginning of USDC, how a simple idea became the world's most trusted stablecoin. Let's rewind to 2018. The crypto market was booming, but a crucial element was missing: trust. Stablecoins were supposed to be the bedrock of the ecosystem, but none felt truly stable. Tether, or USDT, was the king, but it was shrouded in controversy. Questions were swirling. Where's the money? Who's auditing the reserves? Can we really trust it? The market was desperate for an alternative. Enter Jeremy Allaire, the founder of Circle. He was a fintech visionary who believed that money should work like the internet: fast, open, and verifiable for everyone. He saw a major roadblock for crypto's future. If it ever wanted to achieve mass adoption, it needed a dollar it could depend on. Not a promise, not a rumor, but a digital token backed by real, audited cash held in a bank. So he did something brilliant. He partnered with Coinbase, one of the most compliant and regulated exchanges in the United States. Together, they formed the Center Consortium and launched USDC. It was a partnership built on the principles of regulation and transparency from day one. This wasn't just about creating another coin. It was about building a foundation of trust that the entire crypto world could build upon. The idea behind USDC was simple, but in the Wild West of crypto, it was revolutionary. For every single USDC token created, $1 is held in a real bank account. These reserves aren't just claimed to exist. They are regularly audited by independent top-tier accounting firms, and the reports are published for everyone to see. This created a digital dollar built for the blockchain era. It's fully programmable, allowing developers to build new financial applications on top of it. It's instantly transferable across the globe, without the delays and fees of the traditional banking system. And most importantly, it's always redeemable one-for-one for US dollars. No hidden reserves, no shady accounting tricks, just clear, regulated transparency. This commitment to transparency is exactly why USDC quickly gained the trust of developers, DeFi platforms, and even large financial institutions. Major projects like Aave, Uniswap, and Compound started using USDC as their stable foundation for lending, borrowing, and trading. It became the reliable asset they needed. Before long, even giants like Visa and MasterCard partnered with Circle to explore settling payments using USDC. It was evolving from just crypto money into the future of digital finance, all born from a simple commitment to transparency. So, how does the USDC model actually work? Let's break it down. Imagine you want to get USDC. You deposit $1 into a regulated bank account managed by Circle. Once the dollar is received, Circle's smart contract issues one brand new USDC token on the blockchain and sends it to your wallet. That real dollar you deposited stays safely in custody, fully reserved and verifiable through public audits. It's not loaned out or reinvested in risky assets. It just sits there, backing your digital dollar. Then, at any time, you can do the reverse. You can send your USDC back to Circle to redeem it. When you do, they send you back $1, and the USDC token you returned is permanently destroyed or burned. This closed-loop system ensures the one-to-one backing is always maintained. That's what makes it fundamentally different from early competitors like USDT. With USDC, you have a fully backed, regularly audited, and regulated stablecoin. With USDT, especially back then, you had claimed backing with limited transparency. This key difference built trust, and that trust fueled incredible adoption. Within just a few years, USDC grew to become the second largest stablecoin in the world, used by millions of people, and integrated into hundreds of blockchain ecosystems. In a world filled with speculation and hype, the story of USDC teaches a quiet but powerful lesson. Real trust does not come from flashy marketing, it comes from transparency. Crypto doesn't need another meme coin promising to go to the moon. What it truly needs is reliable infrastructure that people and institutions can believe in. USDC wasn't built to be a gamble. It was built to be a bridge, connecting the old world of traditional finance with the new world of blockchain. And this was just the beginning. In our next episode, we'll explore the builders, the people, projects, and powerful partnerships that transformed USDC from a promising startup into Wall Street's favorite stablecoin. You're watching DCA Crypto, where we decode crypto clean and simple. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching.